Hello friends, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So we are going to start with the current affairs and some very important legal GK facts. So the first one is, who has been appointed as the People's Advocate of COP26 for the climate change? So COP26 is the UN Climate Change Conference of the parties, and Sir David Attenborough, a natural historian and a world-renowned broadcaster, was appointed as the People's Advocate of the COP for the UK's presidency of the UN Climate Change Summit to be held in Glasgow in November this year. Next one, who has been appointed as the parliamentary party leader of the CPIM, that is the Communist Party of India, Marxist. So Pinarayi Vijayan has been appointed as the parliamentary leader of CPIM. Next one, India falls under which list in the UK's traffic light system? So the India is in the red list. The UK on 17th May lifted the ban on overseas travel and lifted the stay in UK regulation. However, the international travel will be allowed to restart by a new traffic light system. India has been listed under the red list. So the red list means the passengers will have to pay for a 10-day stay in the managed quarantine hotel as well as a pre-departure and 2 PCR tests on the return to UK. Next one, the centre has released how much amount under the first tranche of the implementation of Jal Jeevan Mission. So tranche means the initial movement of something. So the money for this is rupees 5968 crores. These funds were released to 15 states, and this is the first installment of the fourth to be released in 2021 and 22. So the target is to provide tap water connection to all by the year 2024. That is the Har Ghar Jal, and this program was launched on 15th August 2019. Next one, the phrase locus standi in legal terms means a right of appearance in court, or it means a right to appear in the court. Next one, by which Constitution Amendment Act voting age has been reduced from 21 years to 18 years. So the 61st Constitution Amendment Act in the year 1988, it lowered the age of voting in Lok Sabha elections and the legislative assemblies of states from 21 years to 18 years. This was done by amending the Article 326 of the Constitution, which concerns elections to Lok Sabha and the assemblies. So it was the 61st Constitutional Amendment Act 1988. Next one, impeachment proceedings against President of India can be initiated where? So it can be initiated either in either House of Parliament. The draft article set out the procedure by which the President of India could be removed from the office. Clause 1 stated that impeachment proceedings could be initiated in either House of Parliament. An amendment was moved to give this power only to the lower house, that is the Lok Sabha. Next one, who is the legal advisor to the government of state in India? So he is the Advocate General. Next one, the court laid down the basic guidelines for the power of President's rule in which case? So the case was SR Bommai versus the Union of India. This was a landmark judgment of the Supreme Court of India, where the court discussed the length provisions of the Article 356 of the Constitution of India and the related issues. The case had a huge impact on the center-state relations. Next one, which case led to the imposition of emergency and was a landmark case regarding election disputes of the primary issue, and the primary issue was the validity of clause 4 of the 39th Amendment Act. The case of state of Uttar Pradesh versus Raj Narayan. was the case heard by the Supreme Allahabad High Court that found the Prime Minister of India, that she was Indira Gandhi, guilty of electoral malpractices. Next one. In 1993, the National Human Rights Commission was established under which act? So the act was Protection of Human Rights Act. The National Human Rights Commission of India was established on 12th October 1993. The statute under which it established is the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993. Thank you friends for watching this video.